In the land of Mordor, in the fires of Mount Doom, the Dark Lord Sauron forged in secret a master ring to control all others. And into this ring, he poured his cruelty, his malice.
Okay guys, spoiler alert, we did make a fire. Now, back to the story. So we are still trying to make fire, and I think we're gonna burn all the drinks and making it because it's quite moist out here, and we're having trouble starting the fire up. So what's the trouble we're having, guys?
Having trouble getting the fire going instead of having a propane tank. Okay, says that.
Yeah, so we don't have a propane tank, and Tay and now is a good 1 hour away, and it's fading light, and we might even it might even start raining you know, we need to safeguard our campsite right here, which we're the only ones here, and we decided to burn all the rum basically now in order to start this fire. I hope this is legal, right?
Completely.
Okay, it's legal. So anyway, we're gonna basically burn all the rum.
Multiple
Why is the rum gone?
layers.
Look at this guy, he has an axe.
It's too bad.
We have to go deeper in.
We have a lot. Let's trench this and then.
He just wants to use his axe.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do. You want to use your axe.
Tequila. Give me the tequila. Remember, it's 40% alcohol. That means 60% water.
Yeah, I know.
It's not as good as you think it sounds.
I know, but it is. It's at least.
It's something.
Okay, but we don't know yet. Yeah. Already.
We're burning all of them.
The tinder me would be. I'll catch fire quickly. This is a flash in the pan, that's the problem with alcohol. It burns very quickly. It's not the consistent fuel that you think it is.
Why don't we go find more dry wood?
Plus, it's all water. This is the next level.
This is the most important one. Make sure every.
I don't think this will. And it's going to evaporate, by the way.
It'll evaporate. It'll burn fast. The alcohol will burn.
Yeah.
But not the wood.
Yeah, not the wood.
Yeah. It's not like this is soaked.
You can see, I can already see this from not working.
Yeah, I agree.
As you do this, you realize that, right? Okay.
Okay, put the grate on. No, put the grate on.
The whole thing.
Put the grate on.
Great.
Great.
No, we should put it on now. For safety reasons.
Safety ke hood unna de. It's not going anywhere. Okay. Okay, says that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't ask even Ankundu kuda avalla.
It could go up or could go up what?
I ento water ఇప్పుడు అర్థం అవుతుంది
లైట్ గా అవుతుంది సేమ్
అదే ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ
what the heck, this is as disappointing as it. This is the liquid. నీకు పడేసి ఉడుకోవాలంటే అది ఎక్స్ప్లోడ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి
why stand so close? You're not going to achieve anything. Rain will put.
I'll just keep preventing things from going in. అదే అట్లా పెట్టాను.
Paper అది
అడుగు పెట్టాలి. పైకి పెడితే పైన పడిపోతుంది.
అంటే
Take it out.
ఓ ఇదిగో ఆల్గో.
So we burned all the rum, why not we just burn all the fuel as well? Something's gotta give, right? And something did eventually.
కొన్ని స్ట్రేంజ్ ప్లేస్లో పడాలి. Fire undi, but it's not gonna last. Or will it?
I'm getting more.
కాదు ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేయకుండా
I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that axe. I'm thinking I need to get more. So what are you getting?
More wood.
Okay. No, we need more than that.
I know, but hold it. I'm not saying take this back. Hold it. Ah, nice. Ooh. No.
Why don't we just get more from this area?
So, this is nice and dry.
Got it.
You need this guy.
I got it. I know I heard.
Yeah.
మనకు వస్తూ ఉంటాయి బట్
I don't want that show.
yeah sorry
That the big one's good.
yeah this is good this is
So going around looking for wood, we need a big piece of wood that's mostly dry. Why can't we just use that?
This is dry?
Yeah.
This is good.
Oh, how about that? Is that what?
Yeah.
That one.
It's kind of wet, but it's pretty good.
Okay. There's some more down there.
There's some more down there, right?
Yeah.
But it's bond, we can chop it up and use it.
Yeah, why don't we just do that? It's
కాదు ఇది పడిపోతుందిరా ఇక్కడ
ఏం పడుతుంది
అది ఇది కూడా రోల్ అవుతుంది
ఈ రోల్ అటు పక్క బర్న్ అవుతుంది కదా సో ఇట్స్ గోనా స్టే దేర్
అదే అనుకో ఎందుకు మంచిగా నిల్చో ఎందుకు పెట్టావు
నించోబెట్టి ఎప్పుడు ఉండవు ఫైర్లు ఇలా ర్యాండమ్ గా
హాట్ ఇనఫ్ టు కుక్ బై ద వే అది వేసేసి చూడాలి మనం అక్కడ దాని మీద మెయిన్ పెట్టేది
we have a visitor to our campsite. Our first one.
దాని మీద పెడితే కరెక్ట్ బర్న్ అవుతుంది see this is the problem with these things ఫుడ్ కోసం వెయిట్ చేస్తుంది
Oh, maybe it's conditioned to smell the smoke and then come in for food.
Oh, wow. తెగ ఆలోచించావుగా
Yeah, I know.
అది చూడసలు ఇట్స్ నాట్ అఫ్రేడ్ ఎట్ ఆల్ దగ్గరికి వస్తే కొంచెం దూరండి
గైస్ మనం దీని మీద ఫుడ్ పెడదాం
Man, that thing is not afraid. Yeah, that's true. You made a proper observation.
Come on. Hi-Fi go to మనం
Okay, we got the fire going. We got the dinner going, and then the sky is really starting to clear up there. So maybe there's some potential for a sunset shot somewhere here in this valley. I think there's some high clouds, and if the sun breaks through just that bit, there might be a picture. But right now, it's all about this experience. Oh man, that's a lot of smoke. Look right behind me. We have our tent set up right here, fire going right there, food, and then all that view. Yes, our car's right there, but let's forget the cars right there. Just look at this scene. This much.
I'm surprised.
Anyway, I think we're running out of fuel, but just enough for dinner today. Anyway, oh man, look at that sky over there. Beautiful clouds that are just hogging the mountains. Don't really see much of a composition here, but it's just a fantastic scene to look at. Fantastic. Okay, time for dinner.
600 ml.
Oh, it's more like soup.
They are noodles.
Are you sure?
Yeah, just using them like this. Yeah.
Fantastic when it's cold outside. And these birds are just cleaning up shop. Whatever. I mean, we made sure to drop nothing. But even if there's like crumbs left, these birds are eating whatever's left. And okay, there's another one right there. They pretty much smelled our fire and anticipate food. And that's exactly what's going on. Hey guys, tondar randi. Ee fire enti out of control avutundi koncham. No. No, that thing rolled over and it's now coming this way. That thing rolled over. Look.
Stick and push it in. It's not gonna attack you.
See that? That thing rolled over and then. Oh, he left it like that? Oh, okay. Anyway, so I believe it's past sunset now, right? I believe it's past sunset now, and I don't see any sun breaking through the clouds back there. The clouds still look fantastic up there, but there's no light catching anything. And that really means that there's not much photography going on. You need light for photography, and everything around me is just snuffed out. So I think we got a good fire. We got tents. We'll lay down our sleeping bags. Okay, drop my lens cap right there. Lay down our tents, and then make sure to get some sleep so that we can tackle Milford Sound tomorrow morning. Yeah, there's no chance of anything. I'm looking down this edge of the valley, over there, and then up there. No chance. It looked promising for a second there when the clouds are all clearing out, but there's too much. Look at up there. Too much cloud cover going on here. So it's time to enjoy the fire, and then hope that we get this campsite tomorrow again. All right then. See you tomorrow, guys. Back in Milford Sound.
Yeah.
So no rings were made in this episode and no trees were harmed, but the fire lasted us through most of the night. If you like the content on this channel, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next episode.